talked to him yet, but I'm pretty sure you impressed my grandparents tonight. But just in case you haven't quite completely fulfilled them, we got one left for you guys to do that for them. Speaking of completing me, would you please give it up for Josh Dunn on the drums over there? Oh, you want to do a Josh Dunn jam?